Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm Nithika, your assistant teacher on the behalf of Paramount Public School. Today I'm going to explain you about chapter 11th, the Great Uprising of 1857. My today's concept is about military cause, where we find sepoys. Sepoys that are in the British Army, that is also recognized with the soldiers. The sepoys form the backbone, backbone मतलब powerful बना दिया था of the British Army in India because they are fearless थे वो. But even though the sepoys were as good and hardworking as British soldiers, if we comparison both, then the Indian soldiers are very fearless as well as hardworking also. But the British, they were paid much less, उनको कम दिया जाता था. Their living condition also compared unfavorably with those of British soldiers. They do discrimination with the Indian soldiers. After that, during the two wars, whenever two wars is there, 1824 and 1852, the Indian soldiers were on that time they want to expected to cross the way of Bengal, but Hindus on that time, Hindus are forbidden, बंधे हुए थे with their religion to cross the seas. That's why they didn't want to cross the seas. That's the reason behind it. Hindu soldiers sent this new order. वो new order की wait कर रहे थे because it is recognized with the काला पानी. That's why they didn't want to cross it. Thus, the Hindu soldier sent this new order. After that, they waiting for the new order. Same with that thing. They on that time they want to took revolt from the British people. The reason behind it, they also know that because this thing give them confidence because they know that they were in much greater number than the British soldiers. उनको पता चल चुका था on that time कि उनकी जो संख्या है, the greater means ज़्यादा. They were in much greater number than the British soldiers. They gave them confidence to revolt against the British. That's a major thing that gave them the confidence to revolt against the British. After that, come on the next concept, that is the immediate cause of the revolt. उसी समय तुरंत, the immediate उसी समय, the immediate कारण of the revolt, because the British introduced a new rifle mean बंदूक in the army called the Enfield rifle. The name of Enfield मतलब भरी हुई. The cartridge for this rifle had a greased paper. On that time there is a greased paper, and this greased is made by, there was a rumor, whenever we use a rumor word mean अफवाह उड़ानी, this grease was made of cow or pig's fat. On that time there was a rumor, एक अफवाह थी, this grease was made by cow or pig's fat. That's the major reason behind it, that on that time Hindu believe in religious things. That's why they never want to use this cartridge, because there is a rumor the grease was made with cow or pig's fat. That's why they refuse to use this gun. This episode of grease cartridge was the immediate cause of the revolt. That is the major behind the immediate cause of the revolt. मतलब जो ब्रिटिश थे उन्होंने immediate revolt करना शुरू कर दिया किसको, ब्रिटिश इंडियन सोल्जर्स को. Now our next concept is the spread of the revolt. Spread means फैलना of the revolt. On 9th May 1857 and 1885, Indian soldiers in Meerut, वो मीरुत में थे, a town in the उत्तर प्रदेश, that is a town in उत्तर प्रदेश, were dismissed. उनको उतार दिया गया पद से, मतलब dismissed and sentenced to 10 years of imprisonment. उनको जेल में डाल दिया गया for refusing to accept the grease cartridge, because they didn't want to use that cartridge. The reason behind it, because of rumor that grease is made with cow or pig's fat. On hearing this, whenever they hear this, the Indian soldiers stationed at Meerut rebelled. मतलब उन्होंने वहाँ पे एक टोली बना के वहाँ पे उनका विद्रोह करना शुरू किया. On 10th May, they released their fellow sepoys. On 10th May, उन्होंने अपने fellow sepoys मतलब साथी जो सिपाही थे उनको छुड़ा लिया and killed some British officers, और कुछ British officers को मार दिया. Then they marched to Delhi and captured it. उन्होंने मार्च करना शुरू कर दिया. मार्च मतलब या वहाँ से कैप्चर करना शुरू कर दिया. It proclaiming बहादुर शाह and Mughal Empire and their leaders and Empire of India. Bahadur Shah, on that time the Mughal empire is in the hand of Bahadur Shah. They captured Bahadur Shah also. After this, the revolt spread. I repeat it again. They then marched to Delhi and captured it and proclaiming घोषणा करनी बहादुर शाह को मुगल एम्पीरियर बना दिया गया and their leaders of Empire of India and some leaders also. After this the revolt spread in many parts of North India. नॉर्थ इंडिया में बहुत से भागों में ये फैला. दैट इज कानपुर, लखनऊ, बरेली, झांसी, आरहा, बिहार एंड ईस्ट पंजाब. कानपुर, लखनऊ, बरेली, झांसी, आरहा, बिहार एंड ईस्ट पंजाब. आफ्टर दैट द नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट इज अबाउट end of the revolt. What is the reason behind it? The end of the revolt. As you know about it, in spite of widespread nature of revolt, because it is very widespread मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में फैलना, it is suppressed mean खत्म होना. Within a year, it is completed within a year. The British recaptured Delhi. The British again recaptured Delhi in September 1857. Bahadur Shah was captured. Bahadur Shah को capture कर लिया गया. As you can see in the image on the left, you also see that how they capture them, and his sons were killed. He was exiled to Burma. Image in the middle, that is the image in the middle. Even when they captured them, see the image this and the condition. British, the rebel soldiers were put to the death. British, the rebel soldiers, which one the leaders also put into the death. Delhi was ransacked by the British, matlab all the crown in the hand of British people. The rebel soldiers were put to the death. By June 1858, the British has defended the rebels and crushed the revolt. On that time, 1858, in 1858, the Queen Victoria became the Queen of Britain, issue a proclamation. Clear? After that, consequences of the revolt. What are the consequences? Whenever we use the consequences word, it means natize, rise of nationalism. On that time, rise of nationalism, whenever we use the nationalism word, it means Rashtriyavad. The revolt served as a source of inspiration for the future nationalists. In this sense, the revolt of 1857 may be considered the first war of Indian independence, because it gave us inspiration about our freedom. The end of the Mughal dynasty, because there is no member of Mughal dynasty, that's why it is the end of Mughal dynasty. After that, reorganization of the British Empire. Reorganization, dobara banna. After 1857, the main authority come in the hands of British. So basically it is recognized, India come directly under the British crown. On that time, India come directly under the British crown. The Governor General was known as the Viceroy. Whenever we use the Viceroy word, it means Subedar. After that, next concept is the number of British troops in India army were greatly increased. On that time, the number of British troops in India army was greatly increased. वो increase हो रहे थे. That for every 2 Indian there was 1 British soldiers. More Guru Khas Sikhs, Pathanas, the British who had been loyal to the British during the revolt were in the hand of British. After the revolt, the British decided to stay away from the social reform in India. Social reform, सामाजिक सुधार से वो दूर रहेंगे. But the Queen Victoria on that time, she is the Queen of Britain, issued a proclamation in 1858, because she is the Queen on that time. All the authority in the hands of Queen Victoria, which granted unconditional pardon, मतलब उनको माफ़ करना, to all rebel expected those, और सभी को माफ़ कर दिया जाए, to expected those who was directly responsible for the murder of British officers, जिन्होंने British officers का murder किया, उनको छोड़ के बाकी सभी को माफ़ कर दिया जाए. Is it clear? Next concept is about the reasons for the failure of the revolt. What are the reason? क्या कारण थे for the failure of the revolt? The lack of unity among the Indian. First reason is the lack of unity among the Indian, because some members of this society are like Indian rulers and Jimidar who had benefited from the British rule. They get the opportunity from the British. That's why they never want to use the revolt. They never want to participate in the revolt. They refuse to join this revolution. Further, while many parts of northern India rebelled, Madras, Bombay, Bengal and West Punjab remained largely undistributed. Clear? Next, the lack of centralized leadership. कोई centralized leadership नहीं थी. Reason behind it, because the people who took part in revolt didn't know for certain what they wanted to do after seizing power from the British. They were opposed the British rule, उन्होंने oppose किया British rule को, but were unable to provide an effective alternative. Effective alternative कोई अच्छा जो उसका alternative था वो नहीं दे सके. So they tried to restore the old order of monarchy. उन्होंने monarchy where a king rule. However, the Mughal empire was too old and weak take on the British. That's why British rule on it. The lack of resources on that time, most of the rebels found that with sword and pikes and thus could not match the modern weapon on that time. Our weapons didn't match with the British weapon. That's the reason behind it. We lack in. They were brave and fearless but lacked discipline and organization. They were brave, as you know about it. Indian soldiers are brave and fearless but lacked discipline and organization. Further, the British also received constant supplies for soldiers, arms and money from England. But our soldiers are brave and fearless because of lack of discipline, organization and weapons. We lack in sources. So your chapter is complete. If any query is there, you can ask me any question. Thank you, bete.